Hi guys, just taking a flight over my local marina. Unfortunately, a little bit windy today, so we hit the high wind alerts and had to come back at about 30 metres, running at about 40 kilometres an hour. Other than that, beautiful location. Just a pity I couldn't go out any further. There's some really nice boats down here at Mindari, and just great scenery. Just unfortunate that the wind is just not playing the game at the moment. I'll try another flight. Hopefully, I get some better wind in the next few days, and I can show you my little local hidey hole. Please subscribe. Let's hit 50 followers so I can get some live streams. Thanks, guys.